Eto naman tayo nagpupunta. It's so very early, the bus here. Oh my God, lagi na lang ganyan. So, parang na lang kami na lang mga passenger ang lagi na lang nag-ahabol sa inyo. Ano kayo mga jowa? Diba? It's so very early, see? Ando na yung bus. Ngayon, pag naiwan na naman ang taxi, dapat hindi ganun, diba? Diba? lang. So, today's video, we'd like to thanks for everyone there in Japan. So, starting the name of Miss Grace Acosta. I'm so very thankful that you allowing me to stay there. It's because I have some friend, but I want to, you know, like to feel to stay to you, and thank you so much. You know, even you're busy, and I know that you are busy. That's why we don't have time to like to make banding, so short banding and talking only. But it's fine, it's okay. I'm so thank you so much for you, okay? And also to Ses, marami ding salamat sa time dahil bigla ka nagpapabook ng desert safari, but it's fine. So ganun din, kita-kits na lang kung saan tayo magkikita-kita sa susunod. Hindi pa naman din siguro time to, you know, like disappear to each other. Lahat naman is may dahilan, tsaka kung ano man yung maging desisyon ng bawat isa, o di go ahead kung saan ka pupunta. There's no any question for that, okay? And for Tess, thank you so much also sa La Fes. Maraming salamat sa mga pagkain na inihandog mo, tsaka si ating kasama mo sa bahay. Thank you sa kare-kare and ginataang mixed vegetable. I'm so thankful for that. Thank you so much. And sa lahat ng mga friend ng Japan tour, maraming salamat. So I'm here already back in Al-Ain, and I'm so happy because, you know, kahit sa tatlong araw na sandali, nakapag-enjoy naman, kaya happy naman ang life, you know. So thank you again, and God bless everyone. And yung sa mga gusto mag-desert safari dyan, just let me know, PM me in my messenger. Bigyan ko kayo ng magandang price for that, kasi I do there and I experience, and I'm trying to go there, so it's fun, it's nice, yeah. Okay, thank you so much, bye bye.